fighter, using the forward gun offensively and the rear gun defensively. On the Bristol, as it's always been nicknamed, was a Canadian, Andrew McKeever, who shot down 31 enemy aircraft flying with number 11 Squadron of both the Royal Flying Corps and the Royal Air Force. Joining them in the air now, our first rotary engine action today from the Avro 504. But when it comes to longevity out of this trio, you can't beat the Avro 504, which first flew in September 1913, entered service later that year, and some of them were still in use during the Second World War on some very specialised roles.
Carved out a bit of a niche for itself as a bomber and attack aeroplane, and in fact it was the first British aircraft type to be used for bombing missions over Germany.
In fact, the frontline service of the 504 pretty soon, though some were used by both the Royal Flying Corps and the RAF for home defence duties. You do get to see some of his line in the air. And the triplane configuration was adopted for various reasons. It gave increased manoeuvrability and it gave the pilot better visibility than a biplane. Number 70 Squadron was the first Royal Flying Corps recipient. It enjoyed only a few months of the air superiority over German fighting scouts, particularly with the Fokker D7.
Ben, as you were saying earlier, the arrival of the Fokker D7 did impact the effectiveness of the Camel as a day fighter.